A total of 29 suspects were arrested and charged for involvement in malpractice during the 2025 primary leaving examinations. They appeared before Mwanga II Court, where early proceedings saw 3 of them convicted on plea. According to UNEB's senior legal officer, Mwanga, this is the first case of its magnitude, made worse by the fact that several of those implicated are insiders from the education sector tasked with protecting exam integrity.
Offences they are being charged with is unauthorized possession of examination material, which attracts a fine of 20 million or imprisonment for 5 years. In this case, there was also a group that was aiding and abetting this offense. So they aided because they managed to give access to the other persons to the examinations before the right time, and aiding it to be shared in that group, and whichever students they were sharing, they were teaching this examination.
So day one, did you do it? The whole of them?
They feared.
They feared. Was he going to give you any money?
Did he tell you to pay you?
How much?
600,000.
Out of the 29 accused, 3 were sentenced to either pay a fine of 20 million Ugandan shillings or serve a custodial sentence. Mwanga added that more prosecutions will follow, revealing that 5 additional suspects have pleaded guilty, bringing the total number of convictions to 8.
We have seen 5 extra people, accused persons, pleading guilty. Last time there were 3. So today the purpose of court was to read the sentence in respect of the 3 who pleaded guilty. Here are the bail applications of the other ones who did not plead guilty. Interestingly, when we were expecting bail applications, we get the accused persons, 5 of them pleading guilty, so we have a total of 8 convictions.
The senior legal officer commended the court's swift handling of the case, calling it a catalyst for transformation in the education system. She also condemned the involvement of education sector officials in such illegal practices.
We have delightfully received these sentences. We cannot thank court enough. And like I said, courts are agents of transformation. Courts are the ones which can apprehend people who have become big-headed. The board gets out of its way, briefs people, sensitizes the public, please desist from examination malpractice because of its implication on the education sector. It affects the integrity of our awards and certificates. It contaminates candidates. They are the most victims of this nonsense of examination malpractice. The candidates are either subjected to cancellation because examiners are able to detect there was assistance rendered, or if they manage to beat the system and go further in education, at a stage where they cannot access exams or they cannot be cheated for, they will be frustrated, they will fail. So, what are we saying? I love court for being an agent of social transformation, because however small the decisions are taken, as long as they have given a punishment that is deterrent, people will be cautious about engaging in some of these offenses.
This case underscores the growing challenge of protecting the credibility of Uganda's assessment system. With key actors in the sector implicated, serious questions now arise regarding ethics and accountability in institutions entrusted with the academic, and accountability in institutions entrusted with the academic future of learners.